So hello, I'm Remy, nice to meet you. And can you please introduce yourself and the projects that you are working on?
Hello, Remy. I'm Leonardo Grasso. I lead a team of talented open source software engineers at Sysdig. If you don't know Sysdig, we provide real-time security on cloud. For example, think like credit card transaction or when you go to your grocery store checkout. For sure, even you don't know something that you've used as secured by us. And since I specialize in open source, I mostly take care of Falco. Falco is an open source project created by Sysdig and then donated to the CNCF. And by the way, it reached the graduation level the last year. And Falco is used by about 40,000 organizations globally.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And can you tell us a little bit more about how does Falco address the runtime security challenges that can arise in Kubernetes environment?
Yeah. You can think of Falco like a security camera for your cloud. It taps into the kernel, detects threats, and then alerts your team about what happened. This is more or less what Falco does.
Can you tell us a little bit more about how extensible Falco is?
Yeah, Falco is extensible in several ways. First of all, it has a rule-based detection system. So basically you can write your own rule or use the default rules or even modify the default rules.
Okay.
Second, Falco has a powerful plugin system. This allows Falco to grab data and check security events coming from other data sources. For example, we have a plugin for the Kubernetes audit log. And plugins also helps Falco to adapt very well to various cloud providers. For example, recently we released out a specific plugin for the Kubernetes managed service from OVHcloud. And lastly, but not less important, Falco has a lot of options to forward the alerts that it produces. We have a tool that allows you to forward these events, these alerts to like more than 50 destinations, like Slack, Kafka, your the base or Signs. These are more or less. Falco is very adaptable.
And so that's how you collaborate and integrate Falco with different cloud providers, like what you're doing with OVHcloud, to promote the project and add a layer of security during scaling processes of infrastructures?
Yeah. Cloud provider like OVH works under the shared responsibility model. So we as Sysdig with our product, but also with Falco, go from the development process to the deployment and also to the real-time monitoring of what is happening. For this reason, we collaborate both with the cloud provider, but also with the customer that needs to deploy the application on the cloud. So we secure at every level.
And I recently read in 2025 Sysdig report that 60% of containers run for less than 60 seconds. I was quite surprised, but how does it translate in terms of security? Did you discover interesting things during this analysis?
Yeah. The main point is that the protection system and the security system that were designed for on-premise system are not enough anymore because attacks at that time took several days. Now, an attacker in the cloud can move very quickly, even minutes or in seconds. For this reason, we have to implement something that detect things when happen in real time. This is especially important for now that in the cloud attacks move in seconds, basically.
Yes. So thank you for your time. It was really cool to have a conversation with you about Falco and what it can do to improve the security in our environments. And thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.